When small teams look for a simple way to stay organized, two collaboration apps often come up: Asana and Basecamp. Both help teams manage projects, track tasks, and stay connected without drowning in email. But they take very different approaches to teamwork. Choosing between them depends on how structured you want your workflow to be and how your team prefers to communicate. Let's start with Asana. Asana is built for teams that want structure. It gives you clear task lists, project boards, timelines, and detailed workflows. If your team likes to break work into steps, assign deadlines, and track progress from start to finish, Asana makes that easy. Every task can include descriptions, subtasks, due dates, comments, files, and custom fields. It feels organized and transparent, which helps teams stay on top of responsibilities. One of Asana's biggest strengths is its project views. You can switch between list view, board view, calendar view, and timeline view. This makes it easier to plan work visually and move tasks around as priorities shift. Asana also integrates with other tools like messaging apps, calendars, cloud storage, and reporting platforms. These integrations help small teams create a smooth workflow without constantly switching between apps. Now let's shift to Basecamp. Basecamp focuses on simplicity. Instead of detailed task structures, it offers a clean workspace with messages, to-dos, files, schedules, and team chat. Everything your team needs is in one place. If your team wants to reduce noise and keep communication straightforward, Basecamp does this very well. Basecamp uses a simple list system for tasks. You can assign items, set due dates, and comment. But it does not overwhelm you with advanced features. This keeps small teams moving quickly. The message board and chat tools also create a shared space for conversations that would otherwise get lost in email or scattered across apps. One of the strongest aspects of Basecamp is how it reduces distraction. You can turn off notifications, schedule quiet hours, and receive updates in controlled summaries instead of constant alerts. So which is the best collaboration app for small teams? If you want structured project management with powerful tools and the ability to scale as your team grows, Asana is the stronger choice. If you want a simple, stress-free space where your team can communicate, share files, and stay organized without learning a complicated system, Basecamp is the better fit. Both tools help small teams work together. But the right one depends on whether your team thrives with structure or simplicity.